Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to move files in OneDrive. Now let us begin. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to move files or folders. Let's just say I want to move this file to this pictures folder. Well, simply hover over this image or file that you want to move, and right next to it you will see a checkbox like this. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna give you a few options ranging from right here. At the top you can see options like share, delete, move to, copy to and everything. Simply click on this move to button right here. Now this thing will open up. I want to move my picture right here in this folder called as pictures. I'm simply gonna click on it. Furthermore, as you can see, there are other folders here as well. Let's say I want to move it to camera roll. This folder is good with me, so I'm simply gonna click on this button that is called as move here. It's at the bottom right corner of this tab. I am simply gonna click on it. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the file has been moved. Likewise, you can do the same for folders as well. That is it guys. That's how you move files or folders in OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.